Many times the people who feel the most frustrated about having never fulfilled the dream to write are also the people who have written the least. This is even more likely to be the case in our computer age. The time when people kept in communication mainly through letters, the kind that were written or typed on paper, has long since passed, replaced by email and text messages. I'm Pat Iyer, an author, book coach, editor, and ghostwriter. I remember the excitement of opening a new box of stationery so I could write letters when I was a kid and getting a letter in my mailbox. I had a pen pal in Colorado to whom I sent long letters, at least once every few weeks. Those days are long gone. Now the only time I get a letter is when I read people's annual season's greetings cards. We've gotten away from writing. It's no wonder that people who have a strong longing to write may have an equally strong fear. Something that can break the impasse is journal writing. A journal is for you only. This is a big consideration when it comes to private writing. Knowing you can write down your private thoughts without anyone seeing them will allow your thoughts to flow. And that's the first, most important benefit of journal writing. If you write in a paper journal, find a good hiding place. If you use the computer, make the file or folder password protected. Write regularly. What I'd like to say is write daily, but that isn't always realistic. Set a goal that you believe that you can fulfill. Make it easier by knowing you don't have to write for a long time. Sometimes 5 or 10 minutes of uncensored writing can get a lot out of your system. And don't try to correct as you write. This same rule, by the way, applies to a first draft, which should always just flow freely. When you write in your journal, you're getting practice in in-draft style writing. That means writing without censorship or an editorial mind. It means recognizing what you're thinking and feeling and capturing it in words. Journal writing will provide a release for your thoughts and feelings, help you get to know yourself, and provide one of the best ways to become comfortable with the act of writing. Be sure to check out patiyer.com for free checklists that will make the writing process so much easier.